If you or a loved one is involved in a potential settlement from something that you've been dealing with, potentially in the workplace, you have to listen to this. I'm Catherine Valega, a certified financial planner and tax advisor, and I nerd out on this stuff so you don't have to. At a recent continuing ed for my tax certification, we learned that the IRS will determine if your settlement is taxable based on one thing: if you are able to show physical injury. So just having traumatic stress or PTSD is not enough. You have to have shown physical injury. So share this information with your attorney and make sure that they know about this IRS Section 104A2 and the need to document physical injury. I'm sorry, it makes me sick to my stomach to have to share this, but I want to make sure as many people as possible can learn about this.